Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mazda CX-5 Maxx Sport, stock reference number 5186. This shape runs from the second month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror does have light scratches on the edge. Left front door has 3 small dents. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror also has scratches on the cover. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heating controls, factory sat nav CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.